Hi everyone. To solve the problem we have on the board, I need to factorize this first. Then factorizing this first, I need to multiply the first term with the last term. So I have negative 10x squared. Now I need to find a way to write this such that when we multiply them together, it's going to give me negative 10x. But if we sum them together, it's going to give me negative 9x. So I'm going to say this is equals x multiplied by negative 10x. So you see, if you sum this together, it's going to give us negative 9. So I'm going to rewrite this, the second term, in such a way that it reflects this. So I'll now have x squared minus x squared plus x minus 10x minus 10 equals 0. So once we have this, we can now factorize. So taking away x from this, we have x plus 1. Now minus 10, if you take away 10 from this, we're going to have minus 10 into x plus 1. So I'm going to say x minus 10 into x plus 1 equals 0. So once we have this, we can say either x minus 10 equals 0 or x plus 1 equals 0. And if this holds, then x is equals 10 or x is equals minus 1. Just moving that to the other side of the equation. And this is the solution to, or the root of our quadratic equation.